How Do Dinosaurs Go to Sleep? Written by Jane Yolen and illustrated by Mark Teague. How does a dinosaur go to sleep, whether it's light or dark and deep? When Mama says nicely that it's time for bed, does a dinosaur run or go hiding instead? Does he stay in the closet behind a closed door? Or demand that she read to him just one book more? Does he pick up his blankie to give it a throw? Does he scream at his mother that he just won't go, using his favorite words, "No, no, no"?